Today we're going to talk about the vocabulary for the Sun, Earth, and Moon, Earth's rotation. We're going to look at these words: orbit, craters, moon, sun, Earth, and gravity. First up, we're going to look at orbit. Orbit is the path one object takes as it revolves around another object in space, such as Earth when it orbits around the Sun. Pause the video here and take notes on your paper or on your class Kik. Record what you have here. So you're going to add in your word orbit in the middle box, and you're going to add your definition: the path one object takes as it revolves around another object in space. When you're done recording that or writing that down or typing it in, then you're going to unpause and go to the next word. Here's a picture of orbit. If I were looking at this from the top. Craters. You're going to add the word craters in your middle box. These are bowl-shaped indents or cavities on the surface of a planet, or sometimes on the moon, that are caused by a collision with another object. So you're going to pause the video here and add your word and definition. Unpause when you're finished. Here's a photograph of the surface of the moon. You can see lots of craters on the moon. Here's our next word, moon. You're going to add the word moon in the middle box, and then you're going to add a natural satellite that orbits a planet. Pause the video here, add your word and definition, unpause when you are finished. Here's a picture of what our moon looks like. The next word is sun. You're going to add the word sun in your middle box, and the definition is the star at the center of our solar system and supplies heat and light to the Earth. Its gravity keeps the system in orbit. Yes, that's a long definition, but all of it is really important. So you need to make sure that you have all of that information because it's all super duper important. So pause the video here and make sure you record that information. Unpause when you're finished. Here's a picture of our sun, and you can see some of the solar flares coming off of it. It's pretty cool. Our next word is Earth. You're going to add the word Earth in the middle box, and your definition is a planet in our solar system that has life on it. That's actually the planet we live on, and it's the only planet in our solar system that has life. You're going to pause the video here, add your word and definition, unpause when you're finished. Here's a picture of our Earth, if you could see it from space. And you can see the United States. The next word is gravity. So you're going to add the word gravity in the middle box, and your definition is a force that pulls objects toward the center of the Earth. You're going to pause the video here, add this information in, unpause when you're finished. Okay, so if you could see gravity, the actual force, but you can't see it, but if you could see it pulling everything down or towards the middle of the Earth. All right, let's do a quick quiz and see what you remember from the vocabulary words. What is the star at the center of our solar system and supplies heat and light to the Earth? Its gravity keeps the system in orbit. Which word fits this? If you said sun, you're correct. What are the bowl-shaped indents or cavities on the surface of a planet that are caused by a collision with another object? If you said craters, you got it right. Good job. What is a planet in our solar system that has life on it? If you said Earth, you got it. Great. What is a force that pulls objects toward the center of the Earth? If you said gravity, you got it right. Awesome. What is the path one object takes as it revolves around another object in space? Do you remember what that's called? Orbit. Good job. What is a natural satellite that orbits a planet? A moon. Great. And we have one moon, but other planets have lots of moons. Here are some sources that you can find this information, including the pictures that you saw here. And these are the words we're going to work on next time.